This is Germany. The historical country is pretty famous for its art, culture, tradition, and a lot of very crazy parties. But not a lot of us are aware of some very interesting sustainability solutions which the country has implemented. Let me show you a few of them. First up are these beautiful bike paths that you will find in most German cities. These bike paths are the reason why I have been using my bike for the last 4 years to go everywhere. If the bike paths don't impress you, this innovative bottle returning system called Pfand surely will. Under this system, you pay a small deposit whenever you buy a glass or a plastic bottle, and whenever you return this bottle, you get the deposit back. For example, I'll get 25 cents if I give this bottle back. You don't believe me, yeah? Come, I'll show you. That's a vending machine which you usually find in almost all the big grocery stores here in Germany. You can return your bottle here, which is then recycled. And yes, you get your deposit back. All in all, the community here in Germany has really motivated me to save the planet in any small way possible. That is the exact reason why I came up with this beautiful pen stand out of a plastic bottle and a beautiful lamp out of a gin bottle. So yeah, Germany is helping reduce the negative carbon footprint. But wait, what about the positive handprint? This was the exact question the three co-founders of Handprint asked, and they came up with an innovative solution. Handprint connects businesses with impact projects from trusted NGOs around the world. Now businesses can choose projects that they truly align with their values. In a few clicks, companies can integrate positive impact into their sales channel and engage with their customers. You look confused. Should I explain more? Yeah, I think that would be really nice. Okay, so here's an example. Whenever you book a cab via your ride-hailing app, you can choose to donate 1% of the payment to your favorite social project. And yes, you can even track your handprint. For businesses, it's very easy to pick their own project by browsing Handprint's marketplace. With the click of a button, they can integrate it on their site, app, or even a physical store. Pre-register via your email for the launch on the link below and you get 5 mango trees for free. Happy handprinting!